Thank you so much to my natural family. So, ayan, they love the video that I did last time kasi I'm really taking evening primrose kasi it was recommended by my doctor. And then I found this brand and I love it kasi meron na siyang this brand kasi meron na siyang evening primrose together with the omega-3 fish oil. So, yan, I both need this since I'm already, I'm in surgical menopause. So, yung evening primrose, it really helps with hormones, ganon. So, it really also helps with menopausal symptoms. So, pero kung kahit hindi pa kayo nagme-menopause, this is also good with your premenstrual cycle. So, okay siya sa hormones natin ng mga babae. So, it's good if you're already in your 30s, pwede nyo siyang i-start. And with the omega-3 fish oil kasi, meron siyang, it's also good for the heart kasi, what do you call this? It's also good for the brain. Parang it helps with good cholesterol, ganon. And also have brain function, ganon. So, maraming benefits yung fish oil, omega-3 fish oil, and the evening primrose. So, yun. So, this one has total siya 1,000 ml kasi 500 milligrams yung evening primrose niya, tapos 500 milligrams yung omega-3 fish oil niya. So, nagpadala sila ng care package. So, thank you so much kasi tamang-tama paubos na yung supply ko nito. I usually get their products from the different app, dun sa kabilang sa Shopee or Lazada. You can check them out. Tapos, nag-aantay talaga ako ng promo sa sale, so nag-hoard, so ganun. So, anyway, they sent me this. So, oh, this is my birthday package pala. Thank you so much, guys. So, yan, happy birthday. Thank you. O, yun. So, tamang-tama. And they sent me also these, ano to? It's a body wash. Body wash in cream bath. Oh, tama. And a loofah. So, I have two now. So, ayan. I really recommend this to my friends. So, my sister-in-law just bought, dumating lang yung order niya, nirecommend ko sa kanya yung primrose. Kasi, if you're in your late 30s, kasi minsan nagsistart na tayo ng perimenopause sa ganun na age. So, it's good that we start on this. Kasi nag-really help talaga yung evening primrose sa mga menopausal symptoms ko, like, hot flashes, ganun. Kasi pag nakalimutan ko to, like, I really feel super hot. Tapos, it's really manageable if I take this. Kasi, when I had my surgery, double dosage talaga yung binigay sa akin ng doctor ko. So, I took this like twice every day, sa morning and at night. Pero ngayon, once a day na lang ako. So, I just take this with meal. So, after lunch ko siya iniinom. Pero minsan pag nakalimutan, umiinom ako after dinner. So, yeah, and this one. Tapos, yeah, I like it yung as much as possible kasi gusto ko yung mga 2-in-1 ganun. Kasi mabilis na lang kasi hindi na madami. So, if you guys want pala like a breakdown on the supplements that I take now that I'm in menopause, you can just comment down below. Tapos, I'm gonna share with you all the supplements that I take daily. Dati, super madami. Then, I already break it down. So, this one is like non-negotiable to sa akin. And so are the others. So, I still also have a few. So, comment nyo lang if you want me to share with you all the supplements that I take. So, again, thank you so much, Natural. Bye!